If you're not familiar, first off, these are what European hinges are. They're cup hinges, and they adjust this way and this way, making alignment of cabinet doors so easy. So let's go out into the garage now.
About installing these European hinges, specifically this cup part. I use this alignment jig that I purchased. I believe this one came from Home Depot, but all of them carry these kind of items, and it's specifically for installing European hinges. Let me give you an example. Take your little jig, and there's going to be 3 holes already drilled in it. That's going to be for the cup and the 2 screw holes. And I'm just going to show you how to drill out the cup using a simple hand drill. Take the center of the Forstner bit, and we're only going to go down to the top of this, okay, and put it directly on that mark. That's all there is to it, and let's take a look at how we did.